Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best haircutting kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any man looking to maintain a sharp and stylish look without the hassle or expense of frequent salon visits, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for achieving professional quality haircuts right in the comfort of your own home. This versatile grooming device empowers you to take control of your hairstyle, whether you're aiming for a simple trim, a precise fade, or a complete style transformation, ensuring you always look your best with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction. Number 5. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper 9649p. Introducing the Wahl Color Pro Cordless. Achieve professional-looking haircuts with ease, right in your own home. Never guess the right guide comb again. Our color-coded system makes selecting the perfect length simple and intuitive for everyone. Designed for men, women, and children, this rechargeable clipper offers a comfortable and efficient grooming experience for all ages. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its rechargeable battery provides ample power for a complete haircut without being tethered to an outlet. Experience the precision and power Wahl is known for. This tool delivers a clean, consistent cut every time, making grooming a breeze. This is the Model 9649p, a reliable and versatile addition to your grooming arsenal. Get yours today and simplify your styling routine. What we like. This kit simplifies haircuts with easy-to-match color-coded guide combs. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement during styling. If you're looking for a user-friendly option for the whole family, especially with children, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit is very easy to use and the instructions are clear. The blades are sharp and cut hair smoothly without pulling. It comes with several attachments for different hair lengths, making it versatile. Number 4. Wahl USA Self-Cut Compact Corded Clipper 302-9683. Achieve professional-looking haircuts in the comfort of your own home. This kit makes self-grooming simple and convenient. Its compact design ensures easy handling, while the powerful motor delivers consistent cutting performance. Get the perfect trim every time. Fine-tune your hairstyle with the adjustable taper lever. It allows for precise blending and customized lengths. With 11 included hair clipper guards, you have the versatility to create any look you desire. From fades to trims, it handles it all. This corded clipper kit is your complete solution for clipping, trimming, and personal grooming. Experience the ease of a perfect cut. What we like. Achieve precise fades and blends with its adjustable taper lever. The compact corded design ensures consistent power for uninterrupted cuts. If you prefer a reliable corded tool for detailed personal grooming and haircuts, this one is ideal. What people say. The kit includes a variety of guards for different hair lengths, allowing for versatile styling options. The clippers are sharp and cut hair smoothly, reducing the need for multiple passes. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement and makes it easy to reach all areas of the head. Number 3. Ufree Professional Cordless Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the Ufree Professional Hair Clippers, designed for a seamless grooming experience. Achieve barber-quality cuts right at home with this all-in-one set. Enjoy the ultimate freedom with its cordless design, allowing for effortless maneuvering. The precision-engineered blades ensure a clean and accurate trim every time. This electric hair trimmer boasts a sleek silver finish and an intuitive LED display. It provides all the information you need for a perfect haircut. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This hair cutting kit is an ideal present for any man who values style and convenience. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to maintain your style. It's the ultimate tool for both clippers and trimmers. Upgrade your grooming routine with this exceptional tool. Experience the quality and performance that Ufree is known for. What we like. Experience professional barber quality cuts at home with its powerful motor. The LED display keeps you informed of the battery status. If you're aiming for salon-like results and appreciate the convenience of a cordless, high-tech trimmer, this is the one to consider. What people say. The kit includes a variety of guards for different hair lengths, allowing for versatile styling options. The clippers are designed with a powerful motor that ensures smooth and efficient cutting, even on thicker hair. It comes with a cleaning brush and oil, making maintenance straightforward and keeping the blades in optimal condition. Number 2. TCMKY Professional Cordless Hair Clippers. Introducing the TCMKY Professional Hair Clippers, designed for precision grooming at home. Achieve salon-quality haircuts with ease. Enjoy the flexibility of both cordless and corded use. This allows for uninterrupted grooming sessions, no matter where you are. Experience barber-level precision with our expertly crafted clippers. They are perfect for all your hair cutting and grooming needs. This rechargeable trimmer kit offers ultimate convenience. It's ready whenever you need a quick touch-up or a full haircut. Elevate your personal care routine with this essential grooming tool. It's designed for efficient and comfortable use in any household. The stylish red finish adds a touch of elegance to your grooming arsenal. It looks as good as it performs. What we like. Enjoy the flexibility of both cordless and corded use for maximum convenience. This kit is designed for efficient household haircuts and grooming. If you need a versatile and rechargeable option that works both plugged in and on battery, this is a practical choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of guards for different hair lengths, allowing for versatile styling options. The clippers are powerful and cut smoothly, making the haircutting process efficient and precise. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement and convenience during use. Number 1. Novah Professional Hair Clippers, Gold. Achieve that perfect barbershop look right at home. This professional-grade clipper set is designed for precision and ease of use. Enjoy the convenience of a cordless design. Move freely without restrictions for a comfortable and efficient haircutting experience. Create seamless fades and intricate styles with ease. This kit is perfect for barbers and home users looking to elevate their grooming game. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for haircuts, trimming, and detailed styling. It's the all-in-one solution for your grooming needs. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks stunning. The elegant gold finish adds a touch of luxury to your grooming tools. Crafted with professional barbers in mind, this clipper set delivers the performance and durability you can rely on. Get salon-quality results every time. What we like. Master fades and intricate hairstyles with its barber-grade precision. This cordless clipper offers exceptional control for detailed work. If you're a barber or an enthusiast looking for a high-performance tool for professional-level fades and a premium feel, this gold model is perfect. What people say. The kit includes a variety of guards for different hair lengths, allowing for versatile styling options. The clippers are sharp and cut hair smoothly, reducing the need for multiple passes. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement during haircuts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.